Well, hey, welcome back to MTG Cards and Reviews. My name is Chris, and thanks for stopping by. We got three more Crimson Vow set booster packs we're going to open up here and share this with you guys. Hey, how's everyone doing today? Don't forget to leave a comment. So we got our, looks like our day-night token here, alright. There is our art card. Let's set that there. There's our land. And since we know we got that, we'll put that over there. And we've got basically a siphon essence. Siphon the essence. And Positor Scab. Starting off with a bunch of blue. And then we've got a Stitch Assistant. And another blue here. Wretched Throng. Wow. A Lunar Rejection. Another blue. I think we're kind of being blue here. And now we've got our Runebound Wolf. And we've got our Weary Prisoner. And we've got a Alluring Suitor. Next up is our Voltarian Epicure. And then we've got a rare. We've got the Voldarian Bloodcaster. And then we've got a Militia Rallier as our foil. Alright, well, that is one pack down, two more to go. And we will go ahead and see what we find in the next pack. Alright, now let's see what we've got here. There is our art card. Ah, that looks like Soren, but I could be wrong. Look, Soren the Birthless. Okay, and there's our lands. Now we've got a Nature's Embrace. And we've got a Sheltering Burrows. And then we've got basically Crushing Canopy. Oh, somebody called Joey Moss. Evolving Worlds! That's a hit! We found it. We found the hit. Only it's not in foil. Would have been better in foil. Okay. We'll put that over there. And we've got our Blood Hypnotist. And we got basically a Markov Waltzer. Followed up by an Alluring Suitor. And then we've got the Wedding Security. And then we got our Falknuth Celebrants. And we've got basically, whoa, hey, trying to reveal cards there. Yeah, right. Well, hey, wait a minute here. I think we skipped a card. Okay, well, anyway, we've got Voice of the Blessed as a rare card here. And it looks like that's in. Okay, what do we got next? We've got, keep sliding. We've got our Child of the Pack as a foil. And then guess what we got? Hey, we've got our disappointment token card. Fill in the blank. Alright, well, thought it was going to be something. Turned out to be nothing. Alright, last pack here. Let's go ahead and crack this open. See what we've got here. Alright, so we got our art card. Yeah, I think these are upside down. Let's turn them this way. Now there's our mountain. There is a Bloodgeist, or a Blustgeist, I should say. Alright. And the Griff Rider. And then we've got the Paxong Pup. Next we've got a Cartographer's Survey. And then we're going to go ahead and go with our lumber knot, our ancient lumber knot, right? And you got a binding Geist and our blood crazed socialite. And we got a rare here, Consuming Tide. And Unholy Efficient as our foil. And then our mini game as our last card. Alright, well, hey, thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate stopping by. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.